Zhinan Temple is one of the oldest temples in Taipei, Taiwan. Nestled deep in hills of Mujia, the temple is separated from buzzing city by a magnificent staircase. Many people call it Temple of 1,000 Steps. For mastering all 1,600 steps, you might need a little support. That's why on March 18, residents of Wenshan district set up to hike to the temple together. First, the hikers gathered at the sports ground of National Chengchi University. And there is no proper hiking, of course, unless there is a proper warm-up.
So why did you decide to join the hiking?
Because I think after I being a graduate student, I'm seldom go out to exercise. So I want to be healthy. Yeah.
Encouraging a healthy lifestyle for all the age groups, starting from babies to their grandparents, was not the only objective of the event. The other was the environment. Among the flowing crowd, one could spot volunteers collecting rubbish on the hiking path.
跟学长还有我们学妹同学，我们其实大概有20几位同学，然后一起过来帮忙那个社区，然后每个社区都一起来践行，然后这样子形成一个大团队，然后来山上拔草捡垃圾，还蛮好玩的，一个很特别的经验 ，a special experience。
让他们利用今天活动的机会，带到全家的这个家族啊。 来这个爬山身体健康，也放心啦，让他们健康有愉快的目的啊。
Zhinan Temple was built in 1891 in honor of Taoism, Buddhism and Confucianism. The area consists of 4 principal halls and 5 side halls, all located in a huge compound of 80 hectares. Among the public, the temple is known as unfortunate place for young couples. According to an old tale, unmarried couples who visit the temple will break up. However, the organizers of the hike say this is just one big misunderstanding.
One of the god here has very similar name to the other god in other place, but the god in other place. He is like a playboy in the god, so people misunderstand these 2 gods. Actually, the god here have the similar name, but have different characteristic. It's not true. This concept should be break up by our explanation of this tale.
Li Dongbing, the true god of Zhinan Temple, is actually known for helping other people and improving their health. Therefore, fear preventing young couples from visiting the temple is actually pointless. For couples, as well as for every other visitors, Zhinan Temple remains a peaceful place with an amazing atmosphere.